This is a distance flight. I am planning to fly out 5 miles. I'm going to head for that valley just to the left of that volcano-looking mountain. What you're looking at is a recording of the control screen and not the drone camera. I just turned on the cruise control. The drone is now flying itself. Down here in the lower left corner is my elevation above the point that I took off from. The numbers above the elevation is the vertical or up and down speed. We are now out 1/2 mile. The number with the D in front of it is the distance, in feet, that the drone is from the home takeoff location. The number above the distance is the speed that the drone is flying. There are different methods to disable the cruise control. One method is to tap on the red X. We are now passing the 1 mile mark. This box is called the histogram. The histogram displays the exposure. If the highest peak is in the center, the exposure is about right. Up in the top left corner it says S mode. There are 3 different flight modes. C for cinematic mode, N is normal mode and S is for sport mode. I have cinematic mode configured for very slow movements. In normal mode the drone runs about 25 miles per hour. In sport mode it runs in excess of 40 miles per hour. 1.5 miles. This shows, as I mentioned, that the drone is on cruise control. The number in the circle on the upper right is the percent of drone battery remaining. The drone will automatically return home when it gets down into the red. The minutes and seconds counter to the right of the battery gauge shows the approximate time left until the drone will want to return home. We are now out 2 miles from home. The bar gauge shows the signal strength between the drone and the remote controller. The satellite gauge shows the number of satellites that are currently acquired. Now that we have the classroom work out of the way, we will just fly along listening to music. We just passed the 2.5 mile position. We just passed the 3 mile mark. We are blasting past the 3.5 mile mark in excess of 45 miles per hour. Looks like I had my maximum distance set at 4 miles. At this point it would take me too long to change it and have enough battery to return to home. We made it out 21,094 feet. That is 3.99 miles. Heading home. I'm going to cut the video here and double the speed, to get home faster. I'm not sure why the drone is periodically slowing down. Possibly radio interference. Three miles to go. It's a bit clouded over today to see, but Pikes Peak sticks up just above that mountain in the distance. Two miles to go. We are 1 mile from touchdown. Before landing, the drone orientates itself to its original takeoff heading. One mile to go.